Hey guys, Brendan here from Advanced Radio, and we're just going to show you what we do as a company, our full range lineup, and we're going to go through a little bit of information about each one of these boards and each one of these products. So starting with this one here, we have our Ignition IBEX, which are ignition battery elimination circuits. This is one of the lightest in its class. You plug it straight into your receiver where it draws power, and it saves you the weight of a battery, and it's also an ignition kill. This is the same thing, but it also gives you downlink telemetry to your radio. So this will give you up to 7 temperature sensors and also RPM on select ignitions. Moving on to the next one, we have a combination board here. We've got our T-switch, which is our telemetry switch. This is a dual battery input, dual battery redundant telemetry switch, and it will give you downlink telemetry for your batteries to your radio, regardless of the radio that you use. Next to it is our Smooth Flight system, which is very, very popular. It's the #1 selling gyro in the USA at the moment, and obviously in other parts of the world like Australia. This is a 16-channel integrated gyro system with automatic gain control, downlink telemetry, and compatible with every radio brand. Here we have, onto our next board, we have our 10-channel our Smooth Flight 10 Pro. This one here is our brand new flagship product. It's 10 channels straight from the radio. You can run dual receivers into it, and whatever you do in the radio comes out 1 to 10 on this. This also has our auto gain feature, and it's the lightest in its class at 25 grams. It is also high powered and is capable of 30 amps continuous. Moving on to our lighting kits. We do a full range of lights and lighting kits for models, from small models all the way up to larger models, up to 3-4 meters. We do the kits in 3 different styles, a basic, a standard, and a deluxe kit, and we include all the globes and the controller ready for you to go out of the box. Moving on to one of our last, this is our flagship product. This is our ARXL. This has been around since 2017. This is our non-gyro version called our Smart Bus, and our gyro version, which is our Smooth Flight system. Both at 26 channels, dual battery redundancy, dual receiver redundancy, downlink telemetry to your radio, and with our auto gain feature, you can fly this, you can set it up, not have to touch your gains. So moving on from our Smooth Flight ARXL and Smart Bus, we have a full range of servos. We do 3 major size servos, a 33, a 44, and a 55 kilo, and we do one range of a mini servo, which is a 7 kilo servo. All have soft start, all are ultra quiet, and all are ultra low power servos. Then we have our Smooth Flight ARXL, which I've demonstrated before, but this is our working board, which when connected to a servo, you can demonstrate our automatic gain control. Now, onto our switches. We have a full range of switches. We have our dual battery redundancy multi-switch. This is a modular switch. We have 3 different switching options. We have dual battery input, dual receiver output, so it is dual redundant. There's a fail-safe switch, and that can go in any model you choose. This one here is a special type of switch. It's a Q switch. So we take the dual battery redundancy out of this, but we've added on a 3 and a 4 battery pass-through. So this, with one actuator, can control 4 batteries. We designed this particular switch for turbine models or giant scale models where you have dual battery redundancy for your servos, you've got a battery for your turbine, and you've got another battery for retracts or for lights, and they're all actuated and turned off with one actuator. Moving on to our last board here, we have our power expanders. The Smooth Flight 16 you've already seen. This one here is the Extreme Pro. What this is a 16 channel, 1-to-1 routed power distribution system for any model. Ultra lightweight, ultra high powered, dual battery redundancy. Comes with a color touch screen, gives you downlink telemetry to your radio, no gyro in this one, so you can use it in any aircraft, doesn't matter if it's an IMAC or a 3D for competition, or if you need more power to your servos for a jet or for a scale model. And that's the majority of our AR range. We also do a range of cables, as well as wing connectors and other bits and pieces too. Thanks for watching, guys, and you'll see more of us really soon.